Let's talk about feature eligibility. This section is crucial as it determines what features your channel has access to. Head over to YouTube Studio and open the settings. There are three types of features: default features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Default features include uploading videos, creating playlists, and adding collaborators. These are available to all channels immediately. Intermediate features include live streaming, uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, and custom thumbnails. To unlock these, you need to verify your phone number. Head over to the channel section and make sure your phone number is verified to access these features. Advanced features include appealing content ID claims, daily live streaming, uploading more videos daily, more shorts uploads, embedding live streams, using external links in the description, the new test and compare thumbnail feature, and eligibility to apply for monetization. To unlock these, you need to have intermediate features enabled and perform one of these verification steps: either video verification, valid ID verification, or channel history. Video verification means simply look at your phone's camera and follow the prompts, look up or down, etc., to get quick access to advanced features. To verify through ID, all you need to do is take a photo of your valid ID, like a passport or driver's license, to gain access to advanced features. After 2 months of channel activity and following YouTube's community guidelines, you'll establish channel history and YouTube will automatically delete your ID. Or you can wait for 2 months and YouTube will generate a channel history of your channel giving you access to all the features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.